Hi, this is Haley with V12 Software. In this video, we'll show you how to add, make primary, and delete a payment method from your account with V12. First of all, log into your account. Type in your account login. Once logged in, click on My Account. Type in the password one more time. Then click on Payment Method. Add new card and fill in the card details. Click on Save. The credit card information will be shown there. You can only add credit or debit card. We do not accept bank account routing numbers, checks, or gift cards. If you added more than one card, make sure you choose the right primary card by clicking on Make Primary button. Making a card primary will allow you to pay your monthly subscription as well as refill your account. Finally, to delete a card, all you have to do is send an email to help@v12software.com. If you have any other questions, do not hesitate to contact our support team at the number shown in the screen.